Welcome to Pathshala Institute of Learning. This is the part 2 video learning classes. Let's we learn noun and types of noun. What is a noun? You will study in previous lesson. A noun is the name of person, place, animal, things. Anything you can see, touch, feel can be a noun. For examples, teacher, doctor, police, school, girl, boy. Let's start it with the person. Girl, boy, teacher, doctor. Place, school, home, zoo. Animals, elephant, cat, dog. Things, bag, pencil, book. Parts of noun. 5 types of noun. Proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun, material noun. Proper noun. Name a specific person, place, or thing, always being with a capital letter. Examples Ravi, school, India. Common noun. Names any general person, place, or thing. Examples monuments, boy. Abstract noun. Name a quality, feeling, or idea cannot be seen or touched, only felt or thoughts. Examples honesty, love, fear. Material noun. Names a material or substance from which things are made. Examples water, wood, gold. Collective noun. Name a group of collection of a people or things. Examples bunch of grapes, family, team. Examples in sentences Ravi is a smart boy. Proper noun, common noun. The team play well. Collective noun. Love is a beautiful feeling. Abstract noun. Water is a essential for life. Material noun. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe some more videos.